Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily create a map in the Google Maps application. So if you want to create a Google Maps offline map in advance to use it when you are not connected to internet, at first you have to connect to the internet. When you are connected to the internet, you have to drop a pin somewhere here. And now you have to scroll to the right and tap more. Here you have to tap download offline map, and here you have to drag or zoom in or zoom out to create an offline map. So for example, I want to drive here, and now for example download the map of this area. Here we have to tap download, and as you can see, download has started. Now we have to wait until our download is finished. Meanwhile, we can check our offline maps. We have to tap on our profile picture here. We have to now tap offline maps here. And now we are, as you can see, in the process of downloading. We have 2% here. Free. Now, as you can see, our map is downloaded, and now if we disable our internet connection, we can easily enter this map. Now, our search and navigation will work offline in this area. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!